on the bay near Marstrand. In the lost footage I showed you Marstrand. So let's do this right once again. I see the barriers of the ferry go down. The skipper is in the wheelhouse, so I guess that he is leaving in a minute. These marinas are not for visitors. It says Guesthamn, and then with a cross through the sign. Visitors not welcome. That sounds so silly. It means these are for local boats only. Perhaps you are familiar with the Fleming YouTube channel. He is the designer of this boat. This is a Fleming. On these jetties they have lines in the water, and then you have to moor stern to and pick up the lines from the jetty all the way to your front bollard. Then over here you have a modern Grand Banks called Missouri. I had not seen such a big Grand Banks. Of course I know the classics and the European version. Yeah. The GB sign is on the boat. So typical for this city is this castle. It is in the rain right now, but yeah, it's not always sunshine in life, is it? This was a small tour through Marstrand. Kattegat is enjoying 15 to 20 knots of wind, and we will go in an opposite direction because we will look for protected areas. Oh, by the way, I think it was somewhere in 2023 that social media presented me pictures of boaters who cruised in the Gothenburg archipelago in Sweden. And when I saw that, I was in awe. So in summer of 2024, I decided to go and check out those surroundings myself. This video is a part of a series in which I share my trip to this Gothenburg archipelago and back to the Netherlands. And the series shows you my trip through Germany, Denmark and Sweden. And every day that I cruised during this trip results in at least one video. So chances are that I am physically already back in the Netherlands, whilst I still share the new horizons and surroundings of this archipelago. But hey, that is why a video like this is called entertainment. So, let me know in the comments what you think about it. We will go through a very small canal. Yesterday I also tried to go through another small buoyed canal with a depth of 7 and 13 meters, but I ran aground. Yeah, I have no PTZ footage of that, unfortunately. Oh. I will use my clear view window. It will make some noise. Whilst going to the Albrektsunds canal, we come to an end of this video. Did you like it? Please give me a thumbs up, and how about this? Do I see you in the next video? Alright then, bye bye! Okay, and I am heading north for more surroundings and new horizons. And I can speed up.